song we put on our first album a long time ago, about 10 years ago. It's called More Than a Memory. Hope you like it. Well, 33's riding down the highway, windows down, blowing wind in my face. You sitting next to me. A sunset shining through the windshield, a tank of gas, a whole lot of time to kill. Breathe easy down the road.